Most of the communications at an airport are not by passengers, but for passengers by airline personnel. And most of these communications take place behind the scenes. It starts with when you ask about reservations. Your call may be to a centralized reservations office, which serves many cities, where it goes to the first available agent in the order in which it is received. For example, in making a reservation, you could dial a local airline reservations number in Washington, D.C., but telephone equipment would automatically switch your call to the airline's reservation center, such as this one in Charlotte, North Carolina. Here, the agent has immediate access to all required information and can make your reservation immediately. Or you may dial a local number in your city, talk to an agent in a local ticket office, and that agent will check with his airline's reservation center, which may be from a few miles to the length of the continent away. Telephones and telephone lines play an important part in making airline reservations. The airlines use high-speed computers to keep a record of future reservations. Your call is probably one of 10,000 to come into a reservation center that day. But the combination of computers and high-speed communications will give you an immediate answer. Another method. If you were to stop into a ticket office for flight information, say to Chicago or New York, or even around the world, the agent would put your request for a reservation into a console, which transmits it over the telephone lines to a centralized office. Within a second, the answer comes back. If you book the flight, the agent puts that data into the console for transmission to the reservation center for relay to the computer. Other reservation agents across the country now have this information available. Each flight also maintains voice contact through AirInc, an airlines-owned communications organization, where an operator receives the message by radio and then puts it on a teletype connected with the airline dispatch office. The information is entered on a flight progress chart and put into a computer where it is available for reservations and information agents throughout the airline system.
Flight 210 now arriving at gate 72.
Is that Daddy?
Yes. Come on, children.
When you fly, there's a lot of talk by a lot of people about your trip. When you make a reservation, you are provided with immediate information as to the status of your flight. As a passenger, it's just a matter of boarding the plane and enjoying the trip.
Well, this is great. How'd you know the plane was going to be early?